arriving in Sonora, California, getting everything unloaded into the hotel. Made a quick trip to Walmart, grabbed some beers, met the neighbor riding that KLR 650 there. Then we headed back into town the next morning, met up with our tour guide, Brian, from Lone Wolves on Wheels, and started exploring the foothills of the Sierra Nevada Mountains.
Right up here is where that fire was. Or is, apparently. Jamestown, California. ADV, California. Oh yeah. So we heard a rumor from Lone Wolves on Wheels that down here by Knight's Ferry, Sammy Hagar is just hanging out and he's gonna have a concert tonight. So we're headed to go check this out. Our goal today, now I know that I really wanted to go to that Wards Ferry Bridge, but things have changed. So my goal today is to get Sammy Hagar on video saying, JP, you should have come to California with Adventure Glide. Well, we're headed down towards the Knight's Ferry Bridge area at the 50s Roadhouse Restaurant. Check this out. Looks like they got a little concert going on. Seems a little early for a concert. Oh, that's cool. Well, let's go check this out. Let's turn around and head back. Wow, that looks cool. Little music festival. Out here riding with Brian Broughton. I think we're headed towards the Knight's Ferry Bridge. Some of that cool air. Oh, we're going to the town of Knight's Ferry. Check out the river. That looks like fun, especially when it's 91 degrees out. Yeah, Brian was telling me he put a lift on that bike so he can corner better. It definitely sits quite a bit higher than your standard Harley. This must be, oh wow, a little jailhouse or something, steel jailhouse. And the town of Knight's Ferry. Check this out. The Knight's Ferry Creamery. Well, make sure you go check out Brian Broughton's channel. He is our tour guide. Check out these old streets of this town. How cool is that? Oh, Brian, he likes to get after it. Taking me to the cemetery. This might not be good. No horses. What? Look at this. Boy, this is a cool cemetery. Well, I gotta say, it's a lot better going to the cemetery with somebody else than being there by yourself. Well, I think it was a good spot to get a picture. Well, not all the roads in Nevada are paved. Yeah.
We got a lot of good roads out here. We could spend all day on this.
Oh, yeah. Up here guiding us around Knight's Ferry in Northern California is Brian Broughton. He's got a kick-ass channel. And he's one hell of a rider. He grew up in this area and he's our tour guide for the weekend. So get ready to see ADV, California. at this. ADV, California. Is that a unicorn out there? I think it is. Oh, check out this bridge. Oh, we're doing photo shoot. We gotta get this. We are out here in the wine country. Wow. Irrigation ditch. Oh. Brian's taking us through the skiddy. Let's see if I fit. Oh, this is tight. This is tight. Oh man, who put horse shit in the middle of the road? Oh yeah. They got a passing lane? I had to change my GoPro battery. This is a good spot. Nice and cool in the shade. Well, I figured if somebody did.
Somebody was with a horse. You probably saw this in one of the videos. You said I got places like that.
Yeah.
This spot's always shady.
Well, Brian was right. He was telling me my bike could fit through here. I was slightly concerned it might not make it. But we did. ADV, California. Oh, he's getting after it. Woo! Put that Harley down!
Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Adventure Glide channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you hit that notification bell. If you want Adventure Glide to come to your town so you can feature all the amazing riding you have there, please leave a comment down below or find me on Instagram. And don't worry, this is just the beginning of the riding in the Sierra Nevada Foothills.